Word of the Day Quiz 1. Let's start. Instructions. Choose the correct answer for each blank. You have 10 seconds each question. 1. The jury returned a verdict of blank, clearing the defendant of all charges. A. Panache. B. Acquittal. C. Misnomer. Answer B. Acquittal. 2. She will serve as the blank CEO until a permanent replacement is found. A. Interim. B. Judicial discretion. C. Play for keeps. Answer A. Interim. 3. He delivered his speech with such blank that the audience was captivated from start to finish. A. Acquiesce. B. Panache. C. Misnomer. Answer B. Panache. 4. Calling that tiny pond a lake is a blank. It's nowhere near that size. A. Interim. B. Misnomer. C. Acquittal. Answer B. Misnomer. 5. The judge used her blank to decide the appropriate sentence for the case. Judicial discretion. B. Play for keeps. C. Misnomer. Answer A. Judicial discretion. 6. When it comes to business, he's known to blank. He takes every decision seriously. A. Play for keeps. B. Misnomer. C. Interim. Answer A. Play for keeps. 7. After much debate, she decided to blank to her colleague's suggestion to avoid conflict. A. Acquiesce. B. Misnomer. C. Judicial discretion. Answer A. Acquiesce. 8. His unexpected blank came as a relief to everyone who believed in his innocence. A. Acquittal. B. Interim. C. Acquiesce. Answer A. Acquittal. 9. This arrangement is only blank. We'll review it after the trial period. A. Interim. B. Judicial discretion. C. Panache. Answer A. Interim. 10. Her writing style combines clarity with a touch of blank, making it both easy to read and memorable. A. Panache. B. Play for keeps. C. Misnomer. Answer A. Panache. Congratulations! You made it!